We got some beef jerky. We got our pack. We're on this nice like area where you can relax. There you go. You see, here's the mountain. We're going to the top. And there's that little area you can climb up there. You'll see like it's flat, it's cleared. Goes all the way to the top. A nice ass area. Hell yeah. And there it is, I think, right? Fucking haircut.
We are doing it.
Exactly.
We are about to have to lock the fucking...
The lock-in point.
Gotta feel the G-force.
Yeah, it's over there. Hidden behind the side. Can't even see it. You wanna go swimming in this?
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah, I'd go swimming. Hop in.
But no, I don't want to do it.
You don't want to be wet as you fucking climb? Yeah, I get that.
I don't even know how to dry up.
Probably not the best feeling.
Wow. This is... Ooh, look at that. We got the ladder. We reached it.
Huh? There's a ladder. Oh yeah. There you go. There it is. Ah, that looks fun. There's a waterfall up there, I see it. We ain't on trail no more. Pretty chill place. Definitely nice. Little shit unlocked.
Looks like we can use our trekking boots here a little bit.
Oh yeah. Good fucking decent elevation gain.
I think it's actually useful on the slides here.
Less so. You're more about balance on there.
Yeah, I feel like just lean forward more.
We'll have water the entire way. Whoa.
Wow, it's wet. Yeah, looking out there, it's pretty wet, boy.
How it be? How it be?
So much easier if I was not.
This is true.
Sport mode.
What's up? Huh? This is the fun part. Nope. That's like an easy trail. That's a get fucked trail.
I've been checking out the structure of all I have done. It ain't what I expected, but it's what I've become. The stress I created from the riot I began is not on the contract signed with my name. Spoke to a prophet who was bored with the job. Keep singing and dancing, he be telling the mobs. As soon as you're elected, you're going to be rejected. All you've got is the moment. Cause everything changes. Cause everything changes.
So you can cheese it the easy side, or you want to get wet?
I'm sitting on an anthill here.
I like the getting wet. That way, towards more close to the waterfall. It's easier.
My plane's about to crash. I've been flying too high. All that I can do now is surrender or die. If there's anything I want to say, I want you to.
You're more wet, but it's easier. You see? There you go. Let's go. I keep like, oh, we're almost there, bro. We're there. We're there. And then there's another one. Then there's another one. Oh, that's the hard one. Let's take a rest break before we get up there. Huh? Yeah, yep. Huh? Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Yep, this is a climbing move right here. See? Climbing move.
I've looked everywhere and I still haven't found a new way of living that's wholesome and sound. Where speaking is wordless and closed eyes can see where.
And then the hard move is this.
And we all can be free. Yeah, everybody's speaking yet nobody talks, and everybody's shaking and walking that walk. Unspeakable treasures begin to unfold from staying in the moment. Life is for living in the moment. Because it lives for you. Yeah.
You got this. This is chill. And this looks the right side to the crack. Yep. Yeah, here. No, you're good without handles. You don't need them. Let's see. Oh, that's good. That's good hold. Oh, that's cool. There's a climbing bolt for rope. Ugh. That's cool. There's a rope pole. Yep. Alright, you're good. Here you go. There you go. So,
I want to go right.
you can go right or you can go left. Either one. Right, I think. Right looks easier. I don't know how this one. Let me look at it. Good crimp. What? Hard. How hard is it? You see above? Right here? Yeah, that one, that one. That's a good hold. Oh my god, bro.
That was fucking shit. That was...
Yeah, we're in it. We're in it right now. Look down, bro.
Like one of those...
Yeah, that was hard. Look at that view. We're getting up there. Yo, this is a fucking skits-ass view. Like, I gotta, well, this goes for my own recording. Where we just came up there many miles. It's a cool ass mountain. Now we're, got a crack, we're rock climbing that bitch up. Some gnarly shit. Some gnarly shit. Oh yeah, it's wet. definitely testing it. It's like a slip and slide. We're gonna die. It's actually not that bad right now. Like right here I can sit comfortably. I feel comfortable. Woo! Small break. Small break. The calf burner. More dangerous. Well, it's on track. I just want to get that. Yep. Yeah, it's gonna be easiest. This thing seems pretty nice. Kind of choose your own adventure. A little wet. Be like a bald peak. I don't know, is it bald? Come with me. Go straight. The trail is technically horizontal, so it's both. Fucking did it, come on. Let's fucking go, come on. Come on. Let's fucking go. Woo! Let's fucking go. Hardest mountain Adirondacks conquered. Fucking easy. Let's go chill on that rock. Fuck yeah. Real talk, I'm a little high. I didn't record any of that. So boom, that's where we started. See that little fucking, there's water there, plus a little stairs. Walked up that bitch right there. Easy. Started the day over there. Easy. Only took like, I don't know, let's see, Took only 5 hours to get up here. Not much. Pretty fucking easy. 5 hours, top of the hardest mountain in all of New York. Fucking, it's good shit.